Hi guys, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about my top 5 upcycled pieces in my wardrobe. Before that, let me just introduce myself real quick. I'm Ken, I'm 22 years old, and I like design, I like art, I like fashion. I just like anything creative, you know. I believe that, I don't know, anything can be creative. Cooking, walking. But yeah, let's get right into it. Just in case you were wondering what I was wearing, I'm wearing a thrifted jacket that I got 2 months ago, a thrifted top that was gifted to me by my friend, and a pair of thrifted slacks. And to finish it off, we got some classic cowboy boots. But yeah, it's just a really chill, you know, can't go wrong with all brown. So yeah, first off, we got this cargo hoodie. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'll give you guys footage. Made from a pair of cargo pants and a hoodie that I cropped too short. So why I wanted to make this was because I was lacking a hoodie that I can just put on all the time. They were either too long or were fucked up by myself, and yeah, so I just made this with the intention of just throwing this on, you know, put on some cargo pants and it'll go perfectly with it. And yeah, here's some B-rolls. Second item, we got this pair of cargo pants. It's hard to see because it's black and it has a lot of layers, but here you go. And the reason I made these pants or joined a couple cargo pants into one was because I was looking for something to wear, or a black cargo I could wear literally every day. And I feel like if I just purchased a pair of Dickies or something, it would be too one-dimensional. So I wanted to create something that, you know, could be worn in a plethora of outfits. And yeah. So for the third one, we got this skeleton fleece jacket that's really cropped, has this decor thing on the back, and yeah, not much can be said about it. Detachable sleeves, and yeah, made from 2 fleece jackets, and is part of the projects that I do where I combine, you know, a contrasting fabric together to make this sculptural clothing of the human anatomy and try to make it interesting and fun to wear, you know. So yeah, here's the B-roll. For the fourth one, we got the Cotter high cardigan. So this was made from a rug that I found in a thrift store somewhere, and I just thought it was super cozy. The decal or details were super interesting, and I thought it was perfect to make a cardigan out of it. And yeah, it has like a, you know, like a what are those Japanese robe things called? But yeah, it has that kind of silhouette, and you know, it's just real easy to wear. It's comfortable, keeps you warm, and yeah. So for the fifth one, last but not least, alright, we got this black denim jacket. This is actually my first ever sewing project that I've made from scratch, technically. Well, not the pockets, but you know. But yeah, it was inspired by the bare knuckles jacket, which I'm sure many of you guys know about. And since I didn't have to dough for it, I thought to myself, why not just make it myself, you know? Something black, something upcycled, and something that has a similar silhouette to the BK jacket, so I can still pull off fits with it. But yeah, here are some of the B-rolls. Also, I forgot to remind you guys why you should even care about what I think or what my favorite is. So hopefully you are someone looking to change up their style, or you know, wanting to learn more about fashion in general, or just dressing up in general, and don't have the money or the budget to do so. So I hope my channel will bring the content that you are seeking, because I'm a broke boy too, and almost all my stuff is thrifted or just sewn from scratch. And yeah, I hope my story is relatable to you guys, and if you guys liked the video, don't forget to just hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and leave a like or dislike if you're feeling a little fancy today. But yeah, we'll see you guys next time.